Hello and welcome to another vlog, and these vlogs are gonna be pretty special because I'm starting Tanya's birthday celebration from today, which is T minus 3 days. Yes, today is Thursday, and if you are following our vlogs pretty continuously, you might know already that we are gonna be out of town from tomorrow evening until Sunday morning because we are going to visit my brother-in-law, since they have planned some surprise for her. So I told them, okay, you can have her for Saturday, but her birthday is on Sunday and I need to plan things for her on Sunday. So anyway, some of my plans did got off rail because of this, so I have to speed up the process and start celebrating it from today. So stay tuned for all the vlogs that are gonna be coming out from today until Monday. Yes, you heard it right, until Monday. Somewhere in the world on Monday it will still be 24th, I believe. So I mean, when here it will be Monday. So anyways, so stay tuned, and for all the fun that we're gonna have, for all the things that we have planned for this whole weekend. Marvel is gonna be dropped with his dog sitter tomorrow, and then we'll be traveling. So it's gonna be a travel vlog for this weekend as well. And I hope you guys are gonna have so much fun because it's a surprise for us. We don't know where are we actually going. I mean, where are they taking us on Saturday? So everything is surprise, and it's gonna be amazing. So tonight, stay tuned because I'm gonna cook one of the amazing recipes, Tanya's favorite, for all the chicken lovers out there. It's gonna be karai chicken kind of recipe. Not exactly that because I have to use some other stuff before it goes bad. But anyways, that recipe, and it's gonna be dhaba style, and it will be served with rumali roti. So don't worry if your mouth is watering. Just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. I promise it will water more and more, and you will feel like going and cooking for yourself. So anyways, we got the chicken already, and she's already very excited because we got like what, 40 drumsticks, somewhere around that. We got one free on one kind of offer because there was a new Publix opening here, so we got so much chicken now. But anyways, so that is what I want to brief you on starting this vlog.
28 pieces.
28 pieces. Wow. So that is what I wanted to start with vlog today with this, so that you guys stay tuned. You guys look forward to so many things that's gonna happen for our next 5 days until Monday. So these vlogs are gonna be short snippets of everything, all the surprises that she's gonna run into, and all the things that are gonna happen over this period. So stay tuned, guys. Keep watching. Okay, guys. So I'm meeting you after a very long time, and look at Marvel over here. We just came back from a walk and he is fighting with a box. And now, as I told you that Tanya is gonna get her delicious dinner, I'm gonna make some chicken. So I have already marinated the chicken. I'm gonna use the sauce that she used in one of her recipes, so it's already made. So it's not gonna take too much of time. And in the meantime, this amazing tool right here, kitchen accessory, is gonna need the dough for rumali roti for me. So let's get to cooking. Okay, people, so what's going on in here is you can see that there is delicious chicken. So we are making 3 legs, drumsticks, and I have little bit like 2 green chilies and a little bit of onion that is gonna go in. And since I'm gonna use the vindaloo curry, I'm not putting anything because the curry itself has everything inside it. So my oil is heating up in here, and this is all which is gonna go next. So look at this delicious chicken. So I'm gonna just simmer it over and cover it and simmer it and let it cook for some time. It's gonna ooze out a lot of liquid by itself, so I'm not gonna put any water yet. So Tanya is helping me making dough for rumali roti. She added
1 cup.
wheat flour, and now she's adding all-purpose flour in it. So that should be fine. So that goes in, and then I will let the mixer do the magic.
Yeah.
first reveal of her 5-day birthday surprise. So this is what she's gonna get. You can come out.
Oh my god!
So you have to go in the, as per the numbers, like what did you got?
Okay, oh my god, the first thing. Ah! I got, oh my god, I love this!
Don't worry guys, I'm gonna turn on the lights soon.
Number 2 is the plates. 3 is, oh wow. This is so pretty. Oh my god! I've been wanting all those things for like months, and I keep telling him, "But we have to go and buy this, and we have to go and buy that." Oh my god, I also love this. Ooh. 5. Oh yes. 6. 7. Smell this. So good. 8.
So this is everything related to kitchen.
This is 8, I think.
No, it doesn't have the label 8.
Huh? Oh! Oh wow!
So she has been wanting the containers to organize all her spices and pasta. So I thought maybe I'll do it for her.
Yes! And then Marble, no! I'm taking my clips from bed. 9 is this wine, which I'm gonna drink right now, by the way. I'm sure. Yes. And 10. Ooh! Thank you! Ooh, nice! This is what you wrote. Dinner for 2, waiting for you. Nice. Thank you, Wave! Thank you!
Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the lights and maybe you guys can see a little bit better then. So, okay, so we have candles going over there, over here, and this is what, yeah, turn on the lights.
Yeah.
So everybody can see. So these are some of the fragrances that she loves. So
Yes.
I got Yankee Candle, Chili Cotton, and which one is this? Heirloom Apple.
Yeah.
And then this is the wine, Merlot. She likes Merlot to good with Indian food, which I'm cooking. And then this is like the marble kind of set that she has been wanting for a long time. And this is like a dinner caddy. So we haven't had one for a very long time. And this is like,
oh my god, the napkin rings, they are so pretty. Ooh, I love it!
And the napkins. So it's like a complete set. And then there was that container thing. So you ready for dinner now?
Yes!
I don't want my chicken to burn.
Yes.
And then we're gonna have dinner. Okay guys, so for the dinner of 2, the chicken is already ready. And I'm gonna make some rumali roti over here. And then, honest, we're just gonna have it in non-fancy style with some wine on the couch. I know I lit up the candles on the table, but that was just the plan. But we always eat on the couch. She wants to be comfortable, and that's what's more important.
I mean, we are having such good food, and
we are having like a street style food. We don't want to be having with forks and knives, you know, nothing like that. We have plenty planned for that. So stay tuned for our other vlogs as well. Guys, so that was today's vlog, and you're gonna get a lot more little snippets, like a long, instead of a long vlog. Of course, you're gonna get the whole day like we did today, and that was today's surprise for Tanya. Marvel is in a pamper mode, so she's just sitting with him. So that was today's surprise. She got to eat her favorite meal. She got few things that she has been wanting for a long time, and now we are gonna go to bed. We watched Dexter. We enjoyed the food. The chicken was delicious. Yes. Tomorrow we will go to Melbourne. So tomorrow, her rest of the weekend would actually start.
Yes.
So stay tuned for tomorrow. And it's gonna be another amazing vlog tomorrow with more surprises to come her way. And she doesn't know a thing. So, and what kills her is actually I am talking right in front of her to you guys, telling you there is more, there is more, there is more, increasing all her expectations to cloud 9, and that's what's actually killing her, thinking that, oh my god, what's next? Oh my god, what's next? Okay. So, anyways, guys, I had fun doing all that for her, and there's so much more fun that's gonna go in. So good night, and see you in another birthday celebration continues vlog tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.